keep insulin affordable in the state of Texas. Insulin is now cheaper for Texans across the entire state, including those in the Rio Grande Valley.
Another Senate bill making big waves this week is what's called SB 827. This bill is set to help people with diabetes in Texas. The biggest thing that this law does is limit the copay for each insulin prescription every month to just $25 for insured Texans on state-regulated health plans. News West 9's Francisco Soto has more on the impact of this new law.
Insulin, a life-saving resource at a life-impacting price.
If the pricing drops and it is kind of affordable, most of the time people want to take care of their health, but the cost factor kind of plays a big role in not taking the medication. So I'm hoping change. Hopefully a lot of people can access medication easily and get their diabetes better controlled.
Dr. Nargunan emphasizes how good this could be for the community. She says it's common to hear of copays over $200. The cost playing a big role in the way people manage their health choices.
Having the luxury of being well controlled with an affordable insulin management will always be a big impact in all other specialty fields also, to avoid the bad outcomes.
According to the American Diabetes Association, over 11% of Texans have diabetes. One of those Texans being Elizabeth Geddes, an issue that affects one of our own.
Insulin is really the only thing that keeps me alive. If I go, honestly, more than 6 hours without insulin, I start getting sick. I have a hard time keeping food down. I start getting a really bad headache, and it's just every part of my life gets harder to function.
Geddes understands how every cent counts when it comes to medical care.
That you're not just paying for insulin, you're paying for your test strips, you're paying for any kind of lancets. If you're on a pump, you're paying for that insulin pump. So those fees really add up. Just shaving off a little bit of those massive fees can honestly be life-changing for some people.
For now, Geddes hopes this allows more people to live life without one less thing to worry about. In Odessa for News West 9, I'm Francisco Soto.